Hello there, welcome. I hope you are all fine and doing great. You are having great time today because today is Teachers' Day and it is the 5th of September. So first of all, please accept my regard for Teachers' Day. We obey this day because we are students. Students obey this day every year and a student celebrate this day. This day is observed every educational institution and we try to give some gifts to our teachers and we respect teachers. Okay, so all time we should respect our parents, other people and our teachers because we are students. We are men. Being students, we should respect everyone, whoever, but we should respect everyone. And so enjoy this day because we enjoy this day, we celebrate and students are happy in this day and they celebrate and we should respect our parents first of all because parents are first teacher then others, so always we should respect our parents and as well as other people. So that's all for today and like this I will come in front of camera and I will try to speak in front of camera and I will shoot videos and the videos I will try to upload on Facebook and YouTube. So there may be any mistakes. If I make any mistakes, so please forgive me. Okay, so thanks for watching.